I'm going to take a short story from standard 5th. Okay. But before starting with the story, uh, when you were very small in your childhood, okay, in your childhood, you love to listen to many stories. Okay. When you were very small, your mother used to tell you some stories, right? And then when you went to your junior kg and then senior kg, your teacher started telling you some stories, so you're very fond of stories from your childhood, and now also your teachers are giving you some stories. Okay, so today also we are going to listen to an interesting story. But before that, I'm going to share a screen with you all, and you are going to identify the name of the stories. Okay, so students, are you ready? Yes, students, are you ready? Okay. Now the first screen I'm going to share is, yes, students, can you see the first picture here? Students, can you see the first picture? If anybody knows this story's name, kindly raise your hand. Hand. Is there anyone? Yes, Anjali.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What is the story's name?
The hot crow.
Okay. What crow? I couldn't hear you.
The thirsty crow.
Very good. Excellent. Now I'm going to share the second story. Here you can see a lion and a mouse. So which story is this? Yes, students. Now I want someone else to answer. Akanksha, tell me the name of the story.
Lion and the mouse.
The Lion and the Mouse. Excellent. Very good. Now I'm sharing the third story. Now I want some new student to answer this story's name. Who knows this story's name? If you know the name of the story, in the right hand side, there is more. You can just click on that and raise your hand. Yes, students. What can you see in the picture? Is there anyone to answer? Yes, it's the dog and the bone story. Okay, all these stories you have, all these stories you have learned in your pre-KG, right? When you were
Yes.
very small, you used to listen to many stories, no? But still, Akanksha, Anjali, all the students remember these stories. Okay, the lion and the mouse, the thirsty crow, okay, and the bone, the dog and the bone. So many stories, but still you remember the name of the story. Okay, why? Because your teachers have taught you, so you still remember it till now you remember it. So the same way, today we are going to start with an interesting story which you are going to listen it very carefully. But here there is a twist. Okay, before starting with the story, you are going to tell me the name of the story. I'm going to share some pictures, okay, and some things with me I have. I will share that. You are going to name them. What is that? And then we will find out the story's name. Okay, now tell me, can you see this picture? I have something in my hand. Yes, students, can you see this picture? What's this? Yes, Akanksha? What is this called? Akanksha, yes. Answer me.
Ma'am, hair.
What is this, child?
Head.
Nicely observe and tell me. It's like this shape. There is a thread
Ma'am,
here, a bag. Okay. What else can you tell? A bag. Bag is also correct.
pol
Some. Yes.
uh, polythene. Ma'am, ऐसा कुछ.
Okay, polythene, ऐसा कुछ. Okay, polythene also is correct. Okay, when you go to a shop, okay, and in that shop you have purchased lot and lot of things, and they are coming to deliver in your home. So in which bag they bring? In which bag they bring? Bag is right, but what is the other word for the bag? Yes, Zahir. Zahir Khan. What is the other word for bag? I'll give you a clue. Okay, let's see. It starts from S. S. Okay, it starts from S. Bag is right, polythene is right, but I want that word.
Repotli teacher.
Okay, in Hindi it is potli, but what can you tell in English? In English, this is called as sack. It's called as sack. Okay, children, it is called as sack. Now, how many sacks are there? How many sacks are there? How many of them you can see here? Yes. Zahir, tell me how many sacks are there in teacher's hand? Yes, Zahir. Many
Miss
students
3.
are raising. Very good. 3 sacks are there. Now I'll show you a bowl. Now teacher is having a bowl, and can you see there is something inside this bowl? Yes, children. What are these? What is this? Can you see this picture?
Miss
Yes, tell me.
Sugar. Miss Sugar.
No, just see this carefully. Okay, see this carefully what it
Miss
is.
Rice. Miss Rice. Rice.
Excellent, very good. It is rice. So now we are going to, I'll tell you the name of the story, what we are going to listen. This is sack, but 3 sacks, right? And this is rice. So the story's name is 3 sacks of rice. 3 sacks of rice. Now you are going to listen to the story very carefully. At the end of the session, I'll be asking you some questions. Are you ready, students? Yes. Now, there are many stories which you had listened about 3 brothers, 2 brothers, 4 brothers, right? In this story also, there are 3 brothers. Okay, in this story, there are 3 brothers. In this story, the 3 brothers, they were in a very small town. They were in a small town, living in a very small town, and all the three brothers were very kind, honest, and hardworking. See, sometimes what happens in many stories, if 3 brothers are there, the 2 brothers are very good, the other one is bad. Okay, he is not kind to anyone. Okay, and he misbehaves. But in this story, all the 3 brothers are kind, honest, and hardworking. Students, you have to remember these words. Okay, I'll be asking you some questions also related to this. So all the 3 brothers had the same quality: kind, honest, and hardworking. Okay, so when all the 3 brothers are very good, now comes the first brother. He is the eldest brother, first brother, eldest brother. Okay, and this eldest brother was having his own shop. This eldest brother was having his own shop. Okay, and he was working in his shop. Now comes the second brother. He is the middle brother. Okay, second matlab middle. Okay, the second brother was a priest. He was a priest. Priest means what? Can anyone tell me? Priest means, okay, doing some religious work at the temple. Okay, doing the religious work at the temple. Now comes the third brother. Okay, now comes the third brother, and he has just finished his education. He has just finished his education, and he is not having any work because he has just finished his work education, right? So he is not having any work, but still he thinks that he should not sit at home. So he goes for many other jobs. Wherever he gets small work, he used to work in that job. Okay. So here we have three brothers. Eldest brother, middle brother, and youngest brother. So you have to remember, eldest, middle, and younger brother. All the three brothers were very good. Okay, and these all three brothers, they were very fond of their mother. They were very fond of their mother because after the sudden death of their father, mother worked very hard to bring them up. Okay, after sudden death of father, mother had to work very hard because all the three were boys, and she had to work very hard to bring them up, and also good children, and all the three were very good. So they loved, they had a very good bond with their mother, and all the three brothers loved their mother. Okay, so one day now comes a new character. One day their father's friend, this this one is father's friend of father, and she is the mother. She is the mother of three brothers. She is the mother of three brothers. So one day what happens? This friend of father comes to visit their mother. Okay, and what he says, uh, sister, I have a very prosperous business with me. Okay, and I have lots of money, but I'm getting very old. This man is getting very old. So I want someone to look after my business, and I have only daughter. I have a daughter, and she is the age of getting married. She is in the age of getting married. So I am searching for such a son-in-law that he can take care of my business also and take care of my daughter also. I want such a son-in-law who is very good at business work also, and who is very good to my daughter also. So he said, I know all your three sons are very good. They are very kind, honest, and hardworking. I know them, but still, I can select only one. No, so he is having only one daughter, so he can select only one son-in-law. But he was very confused. So what he did, he had an idea. Okay, he discussed this plan with their mother, and mother also agreed. She was also ready, okay, for selecting this one's daughter as daughter-in-law. She was also extremely ready, and she was very happy. Okay, but how this man will select? So what he did, he had an idea. He went to the first son. He went to the eldest son. Okay, this is the eldest son. He went to the eldest son, and then he said, my dear boy, I have a sack of rice with me. I have a sack of rice. You all know now what is a sack. This is the sack. Okay. I have a sack of rice with me. Okay. I am just going for a necessary work for some months, for some days or months, and I'll be coming back. Till then, can you please take care of this sack of rice? Okay. That boy said, okay. He was the eldest son, no? He said, fine. Okay, uncle, I'll take care of your sack of rice. Now this man went to the second brother. He is the middle brother. He went again to the second brother. He said the same reason. My dear boy, I have a sack of rice with me. Kindly keep this with you for some days. Okay. And when I'll come back, I'll take it from you. Okay. Who was he? The middle brother was a priest. Middle brother was a priest. Now comes the youngest brother. He is the youngest. Okay. Small brother. Third brother. Youngest brother. He again went to the third brother and same reason. Okay. He said the same reason. My dear boy, I have a sack of rice with me. Kindly take care of it and then I'll return. I'll give it to you. Okay. So all the three brothers said, okay. All the three brothers said, okay, uncle, we'll take care of your sack. But he didn't know that uncle had come to him. He didn't know that uncle had come, and he also didn't know that uncle had come to him. So because he went separately to each one of them. Okay. So all the three of them agreed. Now, many days passed, many months also passed, many years, almost a year, 1 year passed. Okay, that uncle was not returning back. So now, all the three brothers, they were having a sack of rice with them. They were very worried. What happened? This uncle told us, I'll be coming back and I'll get the sack of rice. Now, the first brother, the eldest brother, he was having his own shop, right? So, when he was having his own shop, what did he think? He thought, if I'll keep this rice for many days, it will get spoiled. So it is better I'll give it to my customer. Okay. So he, whenever customers come, he gave that one sack of rice to one of the customer, and he took the money back. When he took the money back, he was keeping that money safe because he has to give it to uncle. Okay. So in a small purse, when uncle returned, uncle told, my dear boy, I had given you a sack of rice. Can you give it to me back? Uncle, that boy said, the first one said, sorry uncle, it was too late, so I thought the rice would get spoiled. So I thought I'll give it to my customer, and he gave back uncle a small purse which was full of money. He returned the money to him. So uncle told, it's okay, my dear boy, you are such an honest boy, you are such an honest man, thank you so much. Okay. Now that uncle went to the middle brother. He is the middle brother. Okay, middle brother is working in a temple. He was a priest. So he also welcomed uncle very kindly, okay, and very lovingly. Okay, when uncle went to the middle brother, he asked, my dear boy, I gave you a sack of rice. So where is that sack of rice? So he told, um, uncle, it was getting too late for you to come back. So I thought the rice would get spoiled. So I gave to the needy people, to the poor people. They come to the temple, now poor people come to the temple. So I thought at least they would have their 1 day lunch, okay, in name of you, and they blessed you. Okay, uncle was very happy. Uncle said, oh my dear boy, you are so kind. You are so kind. You had given them the rice. This middle one, he told, I'm sorry, can I give you some money in name of that? Uncle said, no. The blessings from the poor people is enough for me. Now, now uncle is going to the youngest brother, small brother. Okay, when uncle went to the youngest brother, he said, my dear boy, I had given you a sack of rice. Do you remember I had given you a sack of rice? So, what did you do? Please give me it back. Again, he said, sorry, uncle, it was getting too late. I thought before it gets spoiled. He told, before it gets spoiled. Uh, you know that this boy has just finished his education, and he was working in a very small place wherever he used to get job. Okay. So he told uncle, uncle, I had, whenever I go to some other place, uh, with my money, I had taken a plot. I had taken a plot, okay, a land for farming from a farmer, okay. So I thought, why shouldn't I use this sack of rice for the paddy? Okay. So what he did, he told uncle, I used that rice in my farm, and and fortunately, it was a very good, it was a very good profit I got. When you gave me a sack of rice, I got 25 sacks of rice. Fortunately, the crop grew very well. Crops grew very well, and the youngest brother, he got how many sacks back? He got 25 sacks back. Okay, so uncle again gave a very big smile and he said, you are so hardworking. Yes, now he told uncle, see, I have also worked hard for it. Out of 25 sacks, okay, I'll keep 5 sacks with me. The remaining 20 sacks, I have sold it, and this is the money. Okay, what did he tell? I have taken 5 sacks with me, okay, and 20 sacks of rice, I have sold it, and this is the money. Uncle felt very happy. Okay, uncle was very happy. He told, you are so hardworking. So the youngest brother told, uncle, can I take this 5 sack of rice with me as a labor charge for working so many days, for hard working. So can I take this as my money? So uncle said, sure, my dear boy, you can have the money with you. You can take that 5 sack for your labor. And now this uncle had a very wide and a broad smile in his face. Uncle was very happy because he went to all the 3 brothers. Okay, the first brother, eldest brother, he was very honest. He had given the purse of money to uncle. Okay, and then he went to the middle brother. The middle brother was very kind. What did he do? He had fed the poor people who were very hungry, needy people. Okay, then he went to the youngest brother, the third brother. The third brother was very hardworking. He was very hardworking. From 1 sack of rice, he got how many sacks? 25. Because of his hard work, he could make that 1 sack of rice into 25 sacks of rice. Okay, now uncle had a very wide smile on his face. Okay, and now uncle is thinking that I have selected my son-in-law for my daughter. Okay, a very wide smile spread on the friend's face, and now he's telling, I had found my son-in-law. I have found my son-in-law. Okay, students, so this is the end of the story. He had found the son-in-law, but we don't know who is the son-in-law. So we are just going to guess. Are you all ready? Yes, students? How did you all like the story? If you liked, you can just raise your hand. And now I have some questions for you. Okay, one by one, you can raise your hand and answer the questions. Okay, so let us start the question session and let's see how much you could understand, what you understood from the story. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. So first, one by one, I'll read out the question. You can raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay, students? Yes. Now, Yes, student. Question number 1. What common qualities do the three brothers have? I'm repeating the question, children. What common qualities do the three brothers have? If you know the answer, kindly raise your hand. Yes. What are the common qualities that all the three brothers have? Yes.
Miss,
Yes,
Miss,
child. Yes.
Miss, वो three brother. One brother is
Huh? Huh?
one brother is one brother is
Yes, tell me.
और मिस हिंदी में बोलूं
You tell the word. I will teach you how to tell the complete sentence. Okay? Yes, tell beta, tell.
मिस वो थ्री किस
All the three. Yes.
एक भाई वो राशन बेचता था
No, no,
दूसरा
I'm not asking that question. It is not that question, children, child. Common qualities. Common qualities. Okay. Qualities means gun. Okay, gun.
मिस
Yes, child.
मिस थ्री
Yes.
यंगेस्ट ब्रदर
What common qualities do the three brothers have? Teacher was repeating the words, no? I told all the three brothers were how they were, how all the three brothers were. How all the three brothers were. Yes, Akanksha, Anjali. All the three brothers were having the same qualities, no? How they were? They were.
उनकी क्वालिटीज थी पहला था जो फर्स्ट था ब्रदर उसकी क्वालिटी थी कि वो ऑनेस्ट था सेकंड का था
Yes.
काइंडली और थर्ड का
Yes.
था हार्ड वर्क
Yes. The three brothers had the same quality. Okay, all the three qualities were there with the three brothers. Very good, Akanksha. Excellent. Excellent. Now comes the second question. Who came to visit their mother? Who came to visit their mother? Yes, children, if you know the answer, raise your hand. Who came to visit their mother? Who had come to their three brothers' home to visit their mother? Yes, Zahir, tell me. Who came to visit their mother? Yes. Teacher had shown you one picture, no? In that picture, one lady was there. So who came to visit their mother? Yes.
अंकल जाता है उसको
Okay. Who was that uncle? Who was that uncle?
फादर
He is fathers. Father के कौन थे? Who was he? He was fathers. Yes, somebody will can try. He was the three brothers, fathers. What? Fathers? Father's friend. Father's friend. Okay, children. Question number 3. What was the elder brother working as? What was the elder brother working as? Elder brother, first brother working as. Yes, students. What was the elder brother working as? Anybody? If you know the answer, you can raise your hand. What was the elder brother working as? Elder brother, first brother.
Brother.
Yes? Yes, if you know the answer, tell me. Yes? What was the elder brother working as? Elder brother means first brother. What work he was doing? Yes, Anjali?
Own shop.
Yes, in a shop. Okay, there is someone answering, but very, I cannot listen to your answer. He was working, he was having his shop. Very good. You just be louder while answering. Okay. Question number 4. What did the man give to all the three sons? He went to each one of them, no? So what did he give them? Yes? What did the man give to all the three sons? Yes?
What was the elder working is? What did the man bring the three sons?
Give, what did he give? क्या दिए उन्होंने? What did he give to all the three
Miss,
sons? Yes,
Miss
children.
Rice. Miss
Yes,
Rice.
sack. Rice.
Sack.
A sack
Sack
of
of bori.
sack of sack of
bundle.
rice. Sack of
Rice.
yes. Very good. Very good. Excellent. How did the middle brother use the rice? Fifth question. How did the middle brother use the rice? What did the middle brother do with that rice? What he did with the rice? Middle brother. Yes, children. How did the middle brother use the rice? How did the middle brother use the rice? What he did with the rice? Middle brother. Yes, Akanksha. Yes. Middle brother, how he used the rice? What did he do?
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Uh, 3 sack of rice.
Okay, it's 3 sack of rice, Akanksha. But what did the middle brother do? Middle brother, how he used? Middle brother,
Giving
yes,
people.
giving to
Poor people.
poor people. Very good, excellent, excellent. Whom do you think that the friend has selected as his son-in-law? What do you think? Father's friend wanted a son-in-law, no, for daughter. So whom do you think he has selected as his son-in-law? He gave a very wide smile, no, at the end. At the end, he was very happy. So whom do you think that father's friend has selected as his son-in-law? Whom did he select? Yes. Yes, children. What do you think? Father's friend, what he did? He wanted a son-in-law, no? So whom did he select as
Miss,
a son-in-law? Yes.
Miss, उनने 3 brothers को select कर लिया.
Three brothers, all the three brothers. He
He
want only
was
once. He want only one. No, he wanted
he
only one son-in-law. Only one son-in-law.
Miss, he
Yes.
was selected.
Hmm.
He was selected
Hmm.
third brothers. He was selected
Very
third brother.
good. Very good. You be online now. Wait. Why do you think that he has selected the third brother? Why you think that? Why?
Miss,
Hmm. Yes.
why is the
Hmm.
उसने उसने
Yes.
कुछ उसने 25 बोरीज थे
Sack?
sack of rice and
Yes.
give the 20 sack of rice uncle and
20 sack of rice
And
money to the uncle. Yes.
gave 5 rice money.
Okay. He took the 5 sack of rice with him, and
money.
yes, very good, very good. So he thought he is a very good businessman, no?
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
So yes, very good, excellent, excellent, very good. So here is the question is ended now. Okay. Now you listen to this story. Okay, there were 3 brothers, right? Now you told also the father's friend had selected the youngest brother as son-in-law. Why? Because that father's friend was a businessman. He was a businessman. So he thinks in that only mind, no, who is hardworking? The youngest brother. So he thought that the youngest brother would be perfect match to my daughter, because from 1 sack of rice, he could make 25 sacks of rice. So he is the best businessman, no? So father's friend had selected the third, the youngest brother. The youngest brother has his son-in-law. Yes, students, did you all understand? Did you all like this story? Very good. Yes. Now I have a assignment for you. I'll assign you some work, some homework for you. Okay. You have listened to many stories in which you have listened about 2 brothers, 3 brothers, 4 brothers. Can you name me some stories like that? Can you name me some story? Can anyone name such stories in which there are 3 brothers, 4 brothers? Any one story which you had already listened in your childhood or in some other standard? Yes, students, can anyone name? If you know the answer, you raise your hand. If you remember some stories in which there are 4 brothers, in which there are 2 brothers. Yes, Vivek. Yes, Vivek Yadav. Tell me. Vivek, you have raised your hand. Vivek, can you name any one story? Yes, children. Yes, Vivek. Yes, tell me.
Miss, story name is The
Hmm?
Three Brothers.
Story
Three
name is
Brothers.
3 brothers. You tell me some other story. Today I taught you, no, 3 sack of rice. You tell me some other story name. In that story also, 4 brothers are there, 2 brothers are there. Which story? You know any one story? Think. When you were very small, when you were in first standard, second standard, the teachers might have taught you know some stories in which only 2 brothers are there, or 3 brothers are there, or 4 brothers are there. You remember any stories like that? So what is your work is today? Today you have to think. Okay, today you have to think of such stories. Any one story in which either it can be 2 brothers, it can be 3 brothers, or it can be 4 brothers. Okay, you have to think of such a story, and you are going to write. You are going to write the story in your own words. See, if you don't remember also, you can make your own imaginary story. There you have 3 brothers, 5 brothers, 2 brothers. Okay, you imagine that there are 2 brothers and you start writing a story, imaginary story, and you can give a name to that story. Okay, students, this is the work assigned to you today. Yes, who will tell me what work I gave you today? Who will tell me what is your work for today? Yes, who has raised the hand? What is your work for today? Yes, Priya. Yes, Priya Yadav. Tell me. Tell. Yes.
Miss,
Yes, child, I can listen to you. Tell me. You unmute your speaker and speak. Anybody else? Yes, Priya, tell me.
yes, Miss.
What work I gave for today? What you have to do? What work I gave you? What was the homework assigned to you? Homework. Yes, other. Can anyone tell me? Akanksha, Anjali, unmute your speaker and speak. Yes, yes, Sanket.
Story write. Write a story.
Write a story, imaginary story. Very good, excellent. If you know any other stories, you can write. But if you don't know any stories, then you have to make your own imaginary story and you write it. Okay, put today's date and write that story. Okay, did you all understand what I said?
Yes.
Very good, excellent. Thank you, students. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mute your speaker.